Okay, today I am changing my low beam on my Lexus, and see if I can get, so there it is in there. See if I can get some light on it. Okay, there we go. And get my hand in here. First I'm going to pull off the plug. There's nothing to depress or anything, it just slides off. Okay, there's that off. Then there's this rubber boot. Grab this. Pull it off. Then there is a spring in here. Let's see if you can see it. Get a better light. See that spring? Okay. You're going to depress it and lift up on the bottom there. Sorry about the bad angle, but you get the idea. And this thing's a little tricky, so I'll show it to you. So this is not the bulb. The bulb is this piece, and it comes out of this black, it's a plug in a plug, and it's an H7, and I can't take it apart, or I guess I can because it's bad. So that comes out there, but before I take it apart, that notch that you see on the silver, it goes up, so that's the orientation of the light. So when you put it back in, it goes like this. Then these two tines are not like this, but they are perpendicular to the ground. So I'm going to unplug this, and then you don't want to do what I just did with the new bulb, because you don't want to, I think everybody knows you're not supposed to touch the bulb with your fingers because the oils from your hand will decrease the life. I'm going to pause the video so I can swap it out. So I've got it back in, and it looks like this is universal. There's no right way to put the bulb in to this black doodad. It looks like you can put it in either way. Everything looks symmetric, so I don't see that there's any way to do that. Again, we're going to put it up with that nub in the 12 o'clock position, just like that. I'm going to do that. I don't have a tripod, so I'm going to have to do it, put that in, and then I'm going to put the spring back into place, and I'll show that to you. So that took me all of 10 seconds to get it back in there, to show you how that goes. Again, the H7 light, it has a notch, and it goes in the 12 o'clock position. Because I was having a little bit of a time there getting that rubber boot around the plug, I've decided to do this. If you can see, or maybe you can't see, I've got the rubber part folded back. That'll make this easy. I've got it lined up perfectly, and now I can plug it in, and then I can put the boot back in place. I just thought I'd show that because that's something I just figured out, make it a little bit easier.